ডক্টররা সারা জীবন আমাদেরকে সুস্থ রাখে, তাদের জন্য আমাদের কিছু করাটা একটা কর্তব্য। সারা ডক্টরদের কী হয় কি ওরা অনেক সময় টাইম পায় না। আই হ্যাভ সিন ডক্টরস কি যারা পেশেন্ট দেখতে দেখতেও খাবার খান। সো hats off to these people. They have been warriors. We have seen in COVID. I have been very closely connected with doctors since childhood itself. So we have our parents who had ailments. There are several doctors who have saved in my referred patients as well, who were what do you call, had been declared brain death and all, but they were brought into Calcutta and they saved them and they are still alive. So that is the affection which I've gotten for the doctors, and I have a lot of respect for them. So doing something for them in this particular day is a great opportunity for us, because the doctors are always doing something for the patient. Diabetics Day is there, the World Health Day, everything is there, but for doctors it's only one day and we dedicate it to the doctors. আমার নাম তারকজিৎ সাহা, আর আমি রোটারি ক্লাব অফ কলকাতা বেনাভোলেন্সের প্রেসিডেন্ট।
আমরা হসপিটাল মানেই ডক্টর্স, উইথাউট ডক্টর্স উই আর নোওয়্যার। And for this year the theme is wearing the mask and becoming the caregivers. Who can be better than the doctors themselves? They work 24/7 into 365 days. Whenever a patient is unwell, the doctors are always there with all the patients, irrespective of the day, date, year, anything. So we are very thankful from Genesis Hospital, Koshba, Kolkata, that our doctors are always available for us, for the patients, and also they are always so happy when we do something like this. So this is what we have done. So we have made a cake which actually shows our surgeries that we do here at Genesis Hospital, and we have done it in such a way where it is like, you know, all doctors should be appreciated, not just today being Doctors Day, 1st of July 2025, but it should be done every day, and that is what we strive to do. So that is why we have actually kind of commemorated Dr. Nidhan Chandra Rai, because of him that we are celebrating Doctors Day today. Also today is his birth and death anniversary both. So on one hand it's a joyful occasion, on the other hand it's a very sad occasion for us, but still we have actually appreciated our doctors, and that is what we have done. So we have given this trophy to each and every doctor of us, as well as we have collaborated with Rotary Club of Benevolence, Kolkata, of which we are also members. So we do a lot of charity through Rotary, and Kotak Mahindra Bank has also come forward and felicitated our doctors. So we are grateful and thankful for all our collaborations that we actually could do this today for all our doctors. আজকে আমাদের টোটাল 50 জনকে করা হচ্ছে, because they are all busy, like other doctors are doing OT, so we will be doing that like one by one, because we can't get all the doctors at the same time. So we will do it because we have got the trophies for the same. You can see the trophies as well as the plants that we have got here. So we will do this for all the doctors. আমরা সবসময় আছি 24/7 into 365 days for all the patients, all the patient party, everyone. Today Dr. Roy is not there because he's in the UK for his daughter's graduation ceremony there. But he's always with us. So we would like to thank all our doctors. No, we are a surgery related hospital. We do all types of surgery at a very minimum cost, affordable cost. And we are here for all the MIG category people. So anyone and everyone who needs any kind of surgery, we are always there. Our rates are always affordable. We are not like a Apollo or a Fortis, but we try to give our best through our doctors. So as I said, the theme for this year is behind the mask there are these doctors who are with us, and they are the actual caregivers. So that is what is our message, that we want to appreciate our doctors not just today but every day of our lives, because we being the healthcare providers, we want to be there for the doctors as well as for the patients. My name is Dr. Olivia Dunlop. I'm the director of Genesis Hospital.